You can all start making the technology, the data center for AGI or the AI for the advancements of technology in the world. It is very it's not possible to do it on the earth. AGI is already in the satellite orbit in the node, and then well, perhaps I did publish what I did on the quantum computing physics. My technology passed it, and I sent it in London, Australia, in the financial institution, but you ignore me. What the fuck is going on? You're playing cool like me, or you think I'm cool, I'm stupid. No, no, no. I can read your brain. Don't do it like pretender on me. I know what you're doing. I know what attitude you have little. Okay. I don't like it. I told BBC that I passed my technology and quantum computing. It's the big thing, the big result for the world in that case. But BBC ignore me because I'm Filipino, and maybe they don't like Filipino because they're racist. Because they like some outmouth, like stupid thing we did on the technology. He said that this AI override the other company or we have the company. It's easy to sell then when I'm the one to take that seriously and then ignore me. But I have also AGI Corporation, same as with them as well. So that's stupid. Okay. But I know everything. I know what I'm doing. I can do what I did to do against you all. Okay? I don't trust you anymore.